Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore please support and guide me. This is our today article. USA will impose reciprocal tariff from April to Trump. Trade in numbers. Tables show top export and import between the US and India from April 2024 to November 2024. India total export to the USA $52.9 billion. Top export to USA. Electrical machinery $7.6 billion. Precious stone and metals $6.3 billion. Pharmaceuticals $5.9 billion. India's total import from the USA. India's total import from the USA $29.6 billion. Top import from USA. Mineral fuels and oils $9.9 billion. Precious stones $3.2 billion. Precious stone and metals $3.2 billion. Nuclear reactor and boiler $2.8 billion. Now, USA President Trump high levies by India and other as very unfair. He say if this country do not manufacture product in America, they will pay a tariff and in some cases a rather large one. Press Trust of India, New York, Washington released this notice. USA President Donald Trump criticized the high tariff charged by India and other countries, terming them as very unfair, and announced reciprocal tariff from April 2 on nations that impose levies on American goods. Mr. Trump made this remark in an address to the joint sessions of the Congress on Tuesday. It was the first address of his second term in the White House. If you don't make your product in America, however, under the Trump administration, you will pay tariff in some cases a rather large one, Mr. Trump said. Other countries have used tariff against USA for decades, and now it's our turn to start using them against those other countries on average. The European Union, China, Brazil, India, Mexico, Canada. Have you heard of them? And countless other nations charge a tremendously higher tariff than we charge them, the USA president said. It is very unfair. India's charges are auto tariff higher than 100%. In February, Mr. Trump said that his administration would soon impose reciprocal tariff on countries such as India and China, reiterating what he had said during Prime Minister Modi's visit to the USA capital last month. India was not to be separate. He was made it clear to Prime Minister Modi that India will not be separate from the reciprocal tariff, and emphasized that nobody can argue with me on tariff structure. China's average tariff on our product is twice what we charge them, and South Korea's average tariff is 4 times higher. Think of that, 4 times higher, and we give so much help military and is so many other ways to South Korea, but that's what's happened. This is happening by friends and few, Mr. Trump said. We have been ripped off for decades by nearly every country on earth, and we will not let them that happen any longer, the USA president said, asserting that this system is not fair to the United States and never was. Mr. Trump said that the reciprocal tariff will kick in from April 2. Whatever they tariff us, other country we will tariff them. That reciprocal. Back and forth, he said, amidst applause from the Republican lawmaker. Whatever they tax us, we will tax them. If they do non-monetary tariff to keep us out of their market, then we will do non-monetary barriers to keep them out of our market. There are a lot of that too. They don't even allow us in their market. We will take in trillions and trillions of dollars and create jobs like we have never seen before, Mr. Trump said. Mr. Trump is implementing a 25% additional tariff on import from Canada and Mexico and a 10% additional tariff on import from China. It retaliatory actions. Canada said that effective March for 2025, it is imposing 25 tariff on 30 $30 billion in goods imported from the United States. Mexico said it will announce reciprocal action on Sunday. China also announced it will impose additional tariff of up to 50% on import of key USA farm products. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.